Hi, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to get free $2 daily on your Android phone. Before watching this video, please note that you need to have two things: Opera Mini app and a mobile number. Now let's begin. Open your Opera Mini app, tap on the Opera Mini icon, then tap on Crypto Wallet. Tap on Create New Wallet. Put in your password. Now you can choose to back up to Google Drive or back up manually. I'll advise you to back up manually because it's faster. Write down your phrase and tap on I've written it down. Now here's your account. Copy the link in the description below and paste it in your search bar. On this page, tap on Giveaway. Please note that it's limited to a certain number of people daily. Always check by 12 a.m. daily to claim yours before it finishes. All you need to do from here is to connect your wallet and verify your phone number. That's all for today's video. If you haven't joined the WhatsApp group where I post these updates immediately I receive them, tap on the second link in the description to join now. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed as always. To withdraw, please don't withdraw to your Binance or you lose your coins. A post is already made on the WhatsApp group on how to withdraw, so check it out now.